Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find your Mailchimp API key. This is essential if you want to connect Mailchimp with other apps or services. So let's jump right in and get that key sorted. First, open up a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it to access your account. This will take you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your Mailchimp username and password. After typing in your credentials, click the Login button to proceed into your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen again. You'll see your profile icon or your account name displayed there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several account options. From this menu, select Account. This takes you to the main account settings area where you can manage all your Mailchimp preferences and configurations. Inside your account dashboard, locate the Extras menu. This is where Mailchimp keeps some of its more advanced features and integrations. Click on Extras and you'll see another drop-down appear. From this list, click on API Keys. This section is specifically designed for managing your API connections, which is exactly what we need. Once you're on the API Keys page, scroll down to the section labeled Your API Keys. This is where all your existing API keys are stored. If you already have an API key listed here, you can simply click the Copy button next to it to copy it to your clipboard, and you're done. However, if you don't see any keys listed or need to create a new one, you'll need to generate one. To create a new API key, click the Create a Key button. Mailchimp will process this request, and after a moment, your brand new API key will appear in the list. It's generated automatically and is unique to your account, providing secure access for third-party integrations. Once the key appears, click the Copy button next to it. This copies the key to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need it, whether that's in another app, a plugin, or an integration form. And that's it. You've successfully located or created your Mailchimp API key and copied it for use. This key is your gateway to connecting Mailchimp with countless other tools and services. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.